Nice, first cast right into a tree. Is that how today's gonna go? I used to just fish with bread, a hook, and a line tied to a stick. Hang out next to a little old creek and see what I get. That's not bad at all.
Come up over here.
Just to make sure.
Yeah.
Don't want to start off without getting it because we're too lazy to net it. Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna go down here and cast around in this shaded area. See if some of these fish hasn't pushed out of here, because it is pretty warm already. Oh, there goes another one too though. I still got the same reel, so I had to set my drag really low so these things don't break me off. Nice. Nice little smallmouth. Let's let him go here. Let's get to some cleaner water though. Nice. Oh, there's a little one come over and tried to bite that fish. That's pretty decent.
He's a jumper.
Swam right into it.
Ooh, he almost swallowed. He did swallow my lure. About the same as the other one.
Yeah.
I'll tell your mom. He jump? Nope. He's not a jumper. He's a diver. It's one of them Kentuckys. I guess it is a largemouth. Never mind. They said the Kentuckys have that rough patch on there.
Yep. You ready to go catch some big ones? Let's do it. Whew. I done thought I got bit.
What's that?
I stepped on this stick and it popped up like that. Maybe it ain't smallmouth. It looked like it from up here. Oh, no, there is a nice smallmouth down here. He come out after this and these goofy little ones messed it all up.
Get him already?
Yep. Look at that. Oh, I had another one with it. bass out here last time. Let's see if we can't do the same thing. Got him, huh? Nice. Oh! Happens way too often. I like to get back in that shade more. Start getting snake bit walking down through here. Daggone. That scared me. He come and hit that so quick. For real. That is crazy.
Got him. No.
Yeah.
You know, double or?
Yeah.
Mine's longer. Here's a little heavier.
No, no. We can weigh it. First one at this little pond area. Let's let it go. I'm going over here mostly to be in the shade. Since I'm over here, I might as well see what's over here. Oh.
Got him.
Got him. Little guy there. Really pretty though. Let's go ahead and let him go. Oh, oh yeah. Nice. Very pretty. Let's look at it in the shade here. It looks better on camera in the shade for some reason. It seemed like, I don't know. Maybe not. The other one, the tail would light up blue when it got underwater. Let's let this guy go. That was a nice one. Ah, come on. There's two big ones off of this thing I missed. I don't ever fish this like this. I don't know if I need to let it hold on. I get, oh. Look at that, 3 of them with him. Nice too. That other one's a nice little small, they look like.
Got him?
Yeah. Whoa. All right. There he is. So I'll let this guy go. Nice. Yeah, I know. Oh. There's a nice, that might be that nice smallmouth.
That is a nice one, dude.
Yeah.
You want to get in that? You got it.
I don't know.
I'll walk to the bank.
I'm not really sure about that hook. So it looked like it was moving around quite a bit.
I got it. Oh, you're walking all the way up.
Yeah, I just want to try to stop my pole from getting wet. Nice, second one in a row right there on that little blue Cinco.
I That blue's the color today, it seems like.
Yeah, for sure. It has been recently for me. Wow, this thing's got some teeth. That's pretty decent.
Yeah.
Nothing major, but good time. Heck of a fight.
Gonna weigh it? No?
Nah. Go ahead and let him go. I don't think it's that big though. Maybe 1 1/4, 1 1/2. Great fight though. I mean, it's ridiculous. Getting ready to leave here, and I've seen a couple of nice bass over here. See if I can get one. There it is. Oh, yeah, that's real nice. Ah! Probably gonna fish this little hole right here real quick again and then head on out of here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel if you're not. Check out some of the other videos. Also, if you're ever on Facebook, Fishbrain, or Instagram, look me up. Just search for Show Me Creeks. And if you guys are ever on Fishbrain, check out Joe Bass King KS and Urban Jayhawk 19. Both those guys always catching a bunch of stuff, taking really good pics of it. Check them out. Shiner. Shiner. Be good bait. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. Just a Longear sunfish. Little guy. Very pretty though. Toss it back. And they're on fire over here. Here's another one. I should take pictures of all these and upload them to Fishbrain. Give Kieran Payne a run for his money. Check him out if you guys are on there. He normally sets the records for the month. All kinds of fish.